Okay. All right, so tell me what you're doing here. Well, first, what do we do over here?
Okay, so first of all,
We had to gain access to that valve, which is located back there.
gonna run shop right through it right now. So the first thing we did was we pulled the IPR, looked at the screen. It's definitely plugged. You're supposed to see sunlight through it. Okay, and then the valve itself, okay, should activate as we put voltage to it. Activating, valve's not working, so valve is definitely faulty. And at this point, we're gonna put shop air through the whole oiling system. Okay, should not be coming out of there and out of the. So at this point, we have a massive
High pressure oil leak.
yeah. So we recommend tear down valve covers, check dummy sludge, remove turbo, make sure the oil pump back there, high pressure oil pump, the connect fitting is how it should be. So at this point, that's where we're at, yeah.
Thank you, Joe.